Hey Internet, this is Robotics and Automation tutorial solution problem 2.220. Copy with caution. My lecture mark these 100%, but each lecture may vary. I can't explain it because my TA taught me how to do this with a different example and I just applied the solution, so I can't help you, but good luck. So just pause the video um, and jot down what you need to, or maybe this can give you an idea of how to solve the problem yourself. Okay. Okay. So thanks for watching. I hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Stay tuned for the next series of robotics tutorial solutions. It'll be on the playlist. Okay, until next time, see ya.